I have a Roku Streaming Stick Plus here. I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset going through the settings, okay? So very simple. So first thing is go ahead and grab your remote and you want to go to the home screen. You can just tap on the home button on your remotes. Now from here on the left pane here, what we want to do is we want to go down to settings. Now move over to the right. And now you want to do is go all the way down to system, okay? So go down, 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 down. System right here. Now you want to go ahead and move over to the right. Now from here, what we want to do is we want to go down to where it says Advanced System Settings. Right, oops, let me go back up one right there. Click on the right button, and here's Factory Reset. Okay, so if you want to proceed with the Factory Reset, don't forget, guys, with a Factory Reset, once you do a Factory Reset, you're gonna erase everything. Okay, it's gonna once it's done with the Factory Reset, it's gonna be as if you just went on and bought the Roku Streaming Stick Plus brand new and took it out of the box. Okay, so if you want to proceed, you should have your own digit down here, your own code. Mine's 4194. So what you want to do is type in your own code, not mine. 4194. And then you want to go to OK, and you want to go ahead and click on OK and let it proceed with the factory reset. It'll take like 3 minutes. It'll go ahead and reboot reboot your TV, of course, as well as the Roku streaming stick. And then once everything is booted back up, you'll be back on the initial beginning setup, just like when you just bought the Roku Streaming Stick Plus and took it out of the box and plugged it into the USB port in the back of the TV. All right, so pretty simple. Questions, issues, comment below. Good luck.